Hi, this is Lisbeth Stoll with another Craft Minute by DecoArt. Have you ever been stenciling using a makeup sponge and wish that you could easily change to another color? I'm going to show you how you can do just that. The next time that you are stenciling using a makeup sponge, I would like you to consider doing this. I'm going to load my sponge. This is going to be watermelon slice. And see how I have the watermelon slice? It's on the sponge, but it's only using a small portion of it. I can take my scissors, cut the end off, and now I have a clean sponge to use with another color. In this case, it's bright blue. This is a way to save your sponges and maybe do something nice for the environment. This is Lisbeth Stoll. See you next time on a DecoArt Craft Minute.